What's growing? Andrew, Pharaoh the Farmer.
And today we're talking about harvesting zucchini. So you can use basically your hand to measure the size, and depending on who you're going to sell the zucchini to, you might want a different size. When we used to sell to the restaurant, they used to want like 4 to 6 inch max. Us, we're looking for something ideally the size of your hand, but everyone's hand is different. So for me, I come and measure, and from the stem to the tip of my finger should come basically to my wrist. So that's like a perfect size one here. So I just twist. You want to keep the stem intact so that it stores well. And then the zucchini are fragile, so you're going to want to be careful when you put them into your bin, and when you're harvesting that you don't rub the zucchini on the leaves because it will cause damage. Sometimes we wear gloves because even your nails can cut the zucchini. I've cut my nails, so I don't have to worry about that. My hands are clean. The other thing is that you see I'm wearing these arm guards, which are new. It's not like an ad or anything, but Farmers Defense, these are really great. They're UV protected, and they're also protecting my arms when I'm harvesting, and I'm going to give them a try out today. We, at one of the farms I used to work for, we used to use like old socks that were obviously washed. This is a lot more comfortable, and it protects your whole arm all the way up mid to your bicep. And otherwise, the zucchini is quite an aggressive plant, so when you come to harvest, the spines, the little spikes on the stems of the leaves will cut up your arms, little cuts. And it's also a diuretic, so it may make you run to the bathroom. So that's why it's good to either wear long sleeves or some kind of arm protection. And you're gonna wanna be harvesting probably daily, sometimes twice a day, or every second day. But the more frequently you harvest, the more you'll be able to have the right size. If they get too big, then they might be harder to sell, because as they get bigger, they don't taste quite as good, the flavor decreases, and they are more seedy. Whereas when they're smaller, the flavor is better, and you get more small ones or less big ones for the plant. Also, if you let it get too big, if it goes to seed completely, the plant might think, okay, I've achieved my goal of producing seeds so that we can create more plants, and then it may not produce as many, or it may even stop producing zucchinis. So you want to regularly harvest. The other thing you can do to boost your harvest or have it go for longer is to prune your zucchini, and we'll cover that in another video. So yeah, go get growing yourself some zucchinis.